Good morning, everybody. This is Mrs. Suman Jaswal, your English teacher. How are all of you? Good? I'm fine too, thank you. So, today I'm going to tell you a new topic, and it is very important for speaking correct English, writing correct English, and also spotting the error. Okay, in sentences you have editing, spotting the error, so you find the error. Okay, so this is one a part of grammar which all students should know, so that you speak, you write, you read correctly. Okay, this is known as subject-verb agreement. That means the verb should agree with the subject. What is the subject? The doer of the action is known as the subject, and the verb which accompanies it should be agreeing with it. For example, I say I. Can I say I is a teacher? With I am the subject. I is the subject. So I have to use the verb am. I am a teacher. I can't say I is a teacher. So am is agreeing with I. He is late. Can I say he are late? He is singular, so we have to use singular verb is. He is late. He was late. But we can't say he are late. He were late. So is agreeing with the subject he. Okay? This is simple. We all know I am, he is, you are. But there are in sentences when we are confused, where we have to use which verb with the subject. Okay? We have to follow some rules to know about subject-verb agreement. Okay? So if you follow the rules, keep them in your mind, and then you will always be doing correct. And especially students who are appearing for competitive exams, you have this spotting the error. Okay, you can find the error. Students of 9, 10, 11, 12, they do editing, omitting, you can find the error if you know your subject-verb agreement. Okay, so let's get started. Now the first rule to follow. Okay, rule 1. A singular subject takes a plural verb, regular verb, plural, and a plural subject takes a singular verb. I am using singular. Okay, first time I will use. Okay, for example, he, now the verb is come. So, he late. Now he is singular, subject is singular, so the verb will be plural. He comes late. Okay? Now take a plural subject, they. Verb is come. Late. So, plural subject, verb will be singular. They come late. Okay? So what does the rule say? A singular subject takes a plural verb, and a plural subject takes a singular verb, the irregular verb. I'm not talking about helping verb. Okay? Rule 2. When two singular subjects connected with and, then verb is plural. This we all know. Okay? For example, Ram and Shyam. I am connecting with and. Then what will be the verb? brothers. Ram and Shyam, two singular subjects connected with and, the verb is plural, are brothers. Okay, we will not say Ram and Shyam is brothers. Okay, so because singular subjects joined with and take a plural verb. Rule number 3. Now if they are singular subjects but they are joined with and then singular subjects sorry. Now here not joined with and but joined with, connected with, along with, as well as, then verb is not plural but verb is singular. Okay, singular subjects, two singular subjects, when they are joined with, along with, as well as, then they take the verb singular. Take an example. Ram with his mother. Here I have joined Ram and his mother with. Ram with his mother. So verb will come according to the rule, going to the market. According to the rule, two singular subjects joined with, then the verb is singular. So Ram with his mother is going to the market. Okay? Ram along with his mother is going to the market. Ram as well as his mother is going to the market. So when it is connected with, along with, as well as, then the verb is singular. Okay? Rule number 4. Keep on noting down because there are many rules. I will have to erase and write down other rules also. So you can also keep on noting them down. Rule number 4. There are some twin words which are always used together. Okay? They always take a singular verb. When we use with them, the verb is singular. Now which are these twin words? They always come together. For example, bread and butter, shoes and socks, fork and knife, carriage and horse and carriage, ghoda gari, what do you say? Horse and carriage. Okay? These are words known as twin words. They always come together. We use them together. Okay? So they always take a singular verb. And they are joined by and, bread and butter. But still, because they are twin words, they are as one. So they take a singular verb. For example, bread and butter a wholesome meal. Wholesome means that it has got all, if you take bread and butter, it has got all the nutrients and value, food value, nutritious. So bread and butter is, according to the rule, twin words always take a singular verb. So bread and butter is a wholesome meal, not are. So don't get confused that it is joined with and, then why will are come here? Because this is a twin word. They always come together. Take another example. The horse and carriage. At the door. The horse and carriage, again twin word, though it's joined with and, but it is a twin word. So the horse and carriage is at the door, not are at the door. Okay? So the rule says twin words always take a singular verb. Okay? Let's go to the next rule. Rule number 5. When there are words like each, every, okay, either, neither, when such words are used as subjects, then verb is singular. Each boy, let's give an example. Each boy given a prize. Each boy dash given a prize. So when the subject we are using each, then the verb should be singular. Each boy was given a prize, or we can say is given a prize. Okay, we can use past and or present. Okay, because the rule says when the subject is with each, then the verb is singular. Okay, take another one. Every. Every girl a book of her own. Every girl uses verb singular has a book of her own, not have a book of her own. Okay, because the rule says when you use each or every with the subject, the verb is singular. So each boy was given a prize. Every girl has a book of her own. Let's take either, neither. Okay, we'll do either, neither in the next one. Okay. Now rule number 6. Either we will use it with or, and neither, I had told you in conjunctions, these are pair conjunctions. Okay. So either or neither nor, when they are used with the subjects, then the subject closer to or closer to nor, the verb is taken according to that. Okay. Again I am saying verb according to the closest, to the closest, or not. Okay, not with either. For example, I say neither food nor clothes available. So neither food nor clothes. Now what is subject next to not clothes? It's plural. So it will be plural. Were available. Or we can say are available. Okay. Neither food nor clothes were available. Now change it. Neither clothes nor food. Now we have brought the food. Food is one unit. It's not plural. So it will change. Next to it will become was available, not were available. So according to the rule, when we use either or, neither nor, closest to or not, whichever the subject is, the verb is used according to that. Either Ram or Shyam taken my pen. So either Ram or Shyam. Okay. Now Shyam is singular. So taken my pen. So singular verb. has taken my pen. Okay. If I say either the girls or the boys, either the girls or the boys present. So here either the girls or the boys, with or we are using plural subject, the boys. So a plural verb will come. Either the girls or the boys were present or are present. Okay. So the rule says when we use the pair conjunction either or, neither nor, closest to or not, whichever the subject is singular, it will take a singular verb. If it is a plural, it will take a plural verb. Is it clear? Let's go to the next rule. Rule number 7. First you get the rules clear, then I will give you an exercise. So that a mixed bag, so that you can do them and then clear your doubts. Now we always use one of the. We always use a plural subject. Okay? One of the, you can say boys, one of the girls, one of the men. Okay? So it always takes one of the, it takes a plural. And the verb is also with that plural. Verb is also plural. One of the boys or one of the girls well, and the verb is sing. So one of the girls sings well. Okay, because when we use one of the, we use with that a plural subject. Boys, girls, children, shoes, whatever. Okay, so the verb will also be plural. Okay. Take another example. One of the boys, verb is play cricket. So one of the boys, verb will be plays. One of the boys plays cricket. Okay, not play cricket. So the rule says when we use one of the with the subject, the verb is also plural. And the subject is also plural. We cannot say one of the boy, one of the boys, one of the girls. Okay, so it takes a plural verb. Next example. Rule number 8. You know, we never say with proper nouns, we never use articles. The Suman come here, the Aditya go there. Okay, with proper nouns we don't use the. Okay, but we always use with one and only. For example, rule. The name of a book. The name of a book or hotel, etc. Verb is singular. The book's name might be in plural. For example, Arabian Nights. This is the name of a book. Arabian Nights. A good book. So what will come? Arabian Nights, it's the name of a book, is a good book. Because this is the name of a book. Okay? Gulliver's Travels. An interesting book. So it's again name of a book. Gulliver's Travels. It's plural. But you take a singular verb because the rule says the name of a book, hotel, etc. takes a singular verb. Okay? Rule number 9. Collective nouns. Collective nouns always take a singular verb. Verb is singular. I hope you know your collective nouns. A class of students, a flock of sheep, an army of soldiers, a bunch of keys, okay, a swarm of bees. Oh, these are all collective nouns. A bouquet of flowers, a string of pearls. Okay, so with the collective nouns, the verb is singular. For example, a flock of sheep grazing in the field. Grazing means eating grass in the field. So, according to the rule, if it is a collective noun, then verb is singular. So, a flock of sheep is grazing in the field. Okay? Because here sheep, singular is also sheep and plural is also sheep. So, let's take another one so that you're not confused. A herd of cows. Always collective noun, we use a plural here. Okay? But sheep is singular also sheep and plural is also sheep. A herd of cows grazing in the field. So what will be the verb? According to the rule, collective nouns always take a singular verb. So a herd of cows is grazing in the field, not are grazing in the field. Okay? Because the rule says collective nouns always take a singular verb. Okay? Now, let's go to the next one. Rule number 11. Or was it 10? There are some nouns. Okay? They sound plural. They are a plural, but they always take a singular verb. Okay? For example, furniture. Furniture is singular also furniture and plural is also furniture. We don't say furnitures. Furniture. Okay? Crockery. All our plates and bowls and side plates and big plates, half plates, they are all known as crockery. Okay? Cutlery. Cutlery is the forks, knives, spoons, tablespoon, teaspoons, okay, serving spoons, they are known as cutlery. Okay? Crockery, cutlery, then clothing, then stationery. Now this word stationery, there are two words. Stationery with the ARY and this I have written as ERY. This stationery means standing still, no movement. And ERY means all your books, paper, pencil, notebooks, they all come in stationery. Okay? So, this word, stationery. Footwear. They always take verb in singular. And singular, plural, they are same. Furniture, crockeries, we don't say. Cutleries, we don't say. Clothings, we don't say. Stationaries, we don't say. Okay, stationery. So they always take a singular verb. the furniture damaged. So, it's according to the rule, these words always take a singular verb. So, the furniture is damaged. Or we can use in the past, was done. Singular verb. Okay. Take another. The crockery chipped. So, is chipped or was chipped. Chipped means little piece broken from the plate or the bowl or the side plate. Okay. Some piece it's not completely broken, but some piece has broken from the side. So that is called chipped. Okay. So the crockery is chipped, not are chipped. Okay. So nouns, some nouns which are singular, okay, always in the singular, they take a singular verb. Which are the words? Furniture, crockery, cutlery, clothing, stationery. There's another one, footwear. Okay, so they always take a singular verb. Rule 11. There are some words, for example, words which are always used in plural. There are some words which we always use in plural. For example, news. We never say new is coming on the TV. News, okay? It is always used in the plural, news. Politics. We never say politic, okay? Politics. Physics, subject. We always say physics, not physic. Maths. Okay? These words are always plural. Even we all wear jeans. As we don't say I'm wearing a jean. Jeans. Okay? So these are known as plural words. Scissors. We never say scissor. Go and get the scissor. Scissors. Spectacles. What am I wearing? Short form is specs, but it is spectacles. Goggles. Okay? So, these are always plural words. They are used in the plural. Okay? And rule is, verb is always singular. This news, let's take an example. This news, true. So, this news, just because it is news, plural doesn't mean you'll take a thing. According to the rule, all these plural words take a singular verb. This news is true. Physics, a difficult subject. So, physics is a difficult subject. My jeans in the washing machine. Not is in the washing, not are in the washing. So these plural words always take, the rule says, a singular verb. So basically I have, and this one last one, rule number 12. Now there are some amount, quantity, okay, which are taken as a whole and the verb is singular. For example, they say, if it's a plural noun referring to a distance, weight, height, money, it represents a single figure or quantity. Okay? It should be followed by a singular verb. Plural noun referring to, it is either referring to distance, weight, height, okay, amount of money, it represents single figure or quantity and it takes a singular verb. Verb is singular. For example, I say 5 kilometers. English में we generally don't write numbers like this. 5 kilometers a long distance. So when we are talking of a plural, we are talking of a plural distance, weight, height or amount of money. It is taken as single figure. So verb is singular. So 5 kilometers is a long distance. Okay. One lakh, a large amount. Okay, so 1 lakh is a large amount. Okay, so this was rule number 12, that any plural noun referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money, it is considered as single figure. So it takes a singular verb. Okay, 5 kilometers is a long distance. 1 lakh is a large amount. 1 lakh rupees. Sorry, I forgot to write rupees. Okay. So these were the 12 rules that I have given you, that subject should agree with the verb, should agree with the subject. Okay. This is known as subject-verb agreement. Follow the rule. Sometimes we speak wrong thinking that it is correct, but if we know the rule, then we will speak grammatically correct. Okay, so follow these rules and you will be speaking English correctly, and those students who are appearing for exams etc., they will be easily able to follow the rules and spot the errors. Okay, students who are doing editing, omitting, they will also find the error easily if you know the rules. So write them down, write the examples, okay, and follow them and learn them. Okay students, next class I will be giving you an exercise on verb subject agreement, so that you can apply these rules and see that are you able to follow it, and that practice will help you to become perfect. Okay, thank you students, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and God bless all of you.